He's just driving his rally this morning in third position overall. But at the top, it's been a big battle on the opening three stages this morning with Nikolai Gryazin and Kalle Rovanperä in a ding-dong battle, just taking time out of each other, and Nikolai then responding and attacking. And at the end of the stage number 10, it is Gryazin that's leading at the moment, but we've got three more stages to go. In the Junior Championship, it was all change and massive drama on the opening stage of the day today, with Jari Huttunen, who is leading comfortably, having a double puncture in the opening test of the day and dropping time, but managing to limp the Opel Adam round the remaining stages and take it back to service. He hemorrhaging time, but he is still in the rally. Chris Ingram is catapulted up to leading the Junior Under-27 class after stage number 10. What will happen on Rally Liepaja, the final round of the season? We'll find out later on.